Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a giveaway hop today for Not Too Shabby, and we are going to use this super cute stamp set. It's called Sweet Spring Friends and it's 6x6. We're also going to use some pattern paper here, and this is the Hoppy Little Moments, and it's 6x6, and you get 12 designs, and the papers are just so pretty. I love every single paper, and I am not joking. I just love them. And look how cute. There's so many papers that I want to use. So I hope you get this kit. It's actually the box of the month for March. And I'm going to use that paper. And I'm going to pick out another paper as well. This is from the other paper pad that's included in the box of the month. And it is the Spring in Bloom 6x6 paper pad, and it is 6x6, and I'm going to use this cute panda bear. I could not choose what I wanted to use for this card because every image is just so cute, so that would be cute to use all of them on one card. I wish, but I will have to stamp out all the other ones because I love that pig there with the tulips. I thought would be cute with this tulip paper as well. And there's just so many cute cute things. So I'm going to use Memento Tuxedo black ink today on some, I believe this is hammer mill paper, and I am stamping it out a couple times, and because I want that black to be really black on that panda there. And I love pandas because you can leave them as is. They're not much coloring, but I am going to color it today. And I'm just using like E40, E41, which is my favorite combo lately for critters. So that way I'll color in this panda. And it's very easy because he's standing on grass, or maybe it's she. You could you could easily put a bow in her hair. And so I think it's like a cute little scene just for this cute panda, and it's holding tulips. So how cute is this for spring, or maybe a Mother's Day card, or just any time? I love tulips. They're so pretty. And I'm just using, this is my colorless marker. I have a few different ones on my desk just in case. And I will put the markers I used down below in case you are interested. And I am just going to color it up really cute. I did leave a little mark, or when I stamped, it left a little black mark on the panda, which wasn't too bad, but I did try and erase it and cover it up a little bit. I didn't want to stamp this cute panda again because I had already colored it, and so that's okay. And it's homemade, right? So I'm just using a few markers, and I'm going to just finish up, and these are the colors I'm using for the tulips, the pink here, and then I will be done. And you can easily use your brother Scan and Cut or Fussy Cut this panda. I'm going to use a circle die today to cut it out. You can use a square die, whatever you have, a tag die, that would be cute. And so here's the mark I'm trying to get rid of with my eraser. I'm just using a few, I have a few erasers on my desk here. And then I tried a white gel pen, and then I colored over the white gel pen. So I did my best to try and cover it up. I wish I had it where you put the bow, and then I would have just put a bow on this panda. But like I said, it's okay. It didn't bother me. And later I feel like you can't really see it, so that's okay. And so here's my circle die. I'm using a die from the Ultimate Snow Globe Shaker. That's at Not Too Shabby, and I will link everything down below for you. I'm using my small die cutting machine today, and then I will have that cut out. And super cute. I'm also using a blue marker, like a blue-green marker, to go around the panda as well, just to give it a little bit of something extra. I am going to color up my tulips a little bit more pinker so they match my paper a little more. And I'm using this a large scalloped rectangle. It's A2 size from Simon Says Stamp. And I'm just going to cut out my background paper. This pretty flowers paper is kind of vintage to me. I really, really like it. And then I'm going to use that tulip paper and cut out a smaller rectangle, a smaller scallop rectangle. And so here is my BG marker. It's BG10, and I'm just going to go around my image a little bit. It was either that or I was going to ink blend around it, and I just chose to use my marker. Really quick and easy. So this is a giveaway hop. So I will have a playlist down below for you, and you can click everybody participating in the hop, and you can win a $25 gift card to the Not Too Shabby shop. And just fill out the Rafflecopter form and visit everyone's channel, like and subscribe if you like what you see. And this will have the deadline for the giveaway down below for you as well. And we will have an Instagram hop going on too, so you'll want to go and check that out as well. So I'm going to stamp a sentiment from the same stamp set from the Sweet Spring Friends, and I'm using my We Are Memory Keepers, or I think they changed the name, but I will put that down below if you are interested. And I'm just going to stamp my sentiment. It's going to say Cuteness Overload. And I also have another sentiment. I'm using VersaFine Clair here in baby pink, I believe, and I'm going to stamp another sentiment that's going to say Just Because, and then it'll say Cuteness Overload. And I really think that's super cute to send somebody. And so I'm just going to glue everything. The only thing I popped up were my sentiments, and I did use for my sentiment the ultimate sentiment die from Not Too Shabby shop. And I also used a ephemera piece. I had to use that panda from the let me see, it is from Little Spring Friends, and because 2 pandas are better than 1, right? And I'm using some foam squares for my sentiment, and I will then pop up my other sentiment with some foam strips. So I think this card is so cute. I'm using some enamel dots, some that Jamie sent me. I'm not sure what packs they go to, but if I can find them, I will link them down below for you. That green is so pretty. I just want to hoard it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get me a pack of those. I wish they were sold separate so I could just buy the green. I don't know. I'm so into green right now. I don't know what it is. I just love green. And that might, I love teal and purple, but green is coming in my color combo. I don't know what it is. So I don't know if it's a phase or what. Maybe green is going to be my new favorite color. We will see. So gluing everything, and I hope you check out all the subscriptions. Everyone hopping is using something new from the subscription our monthly hop here. So check out everyone's video, and it's so much fun. I will be hopping as well, and of course Jamie always has videos too. So check out the Not Too Shabby shop YouTube channel. And I'm going to share a close-up, just putting my last enamel dot here, or 2. I think I have 1 or 2. And I will share a close-up. And And so cute. Oh, I grabbed a pink because I wanted pink, clear, and green to match my card. And that way I could hoard some of those green ones a little bit longer. So, and here it is. So thank you.